So today we're just going to run through really quickly how to set up a repeat payment link that you can send out. It's great for proposals, but also great if you're going to be taking fixed fees across a multiple amount of months. So all you need to do is log into your Crezco account. At the top here, click payment links and then click create payment link. Once you're on this page, you can either choose as a single payment. So this is great if you just want to send it out on an invoice and you just want it to be paid for one particular, or you can set up here a repeat payment. You then just choose the account that you want to receive the money into, so where we're pre-populating the payment link to, the amount of the payment that is going to be set up on a recurring basis, and then the reference. Now, reference, super important to know. What I recommend is putting a unique reference for that particular client. So the reference that you're actually putting on your repeating invoice that's going out from your accounting software. Once that's set up, you can then choose your frequency and when you want that first payment to come through. So you can do weekly, monthly, quarterly. Most people put monthly, and then the first payment date. Now, the first payment date, what is great is you can set it up for the future and you will be notified as soon as it's been set up. So once it's been set up, you'll get an email through saying, hey, your client has set up the payment for the 1st of May, 2022. And then you can choose an end date. You can either set for a set amount of payments, so maybe after 12 months, or you can set it up as indefinite, and I'll set it up as indefinite. Click next step. You have various link options. I highly recommend to just use single use because that is just for this particular client that you're sending the proposal to or setting up their regular fees. And then you have a quick link preview. I then just click create payment link, and that link can now be sent to your customer. So you can either copy the payment link or you can also copy and paste the QR code. But when the client clicks on that, they'll be presented with the exact same checkout screen that they're used to. So we're going to be paying this account for this amount. These are the details, and this is now the frequency and payment date. They click confirm, they choose their bank account they want to pay from, and then just go through the authentication process. Once that's set up, as I said, you get an email through saying, hey, the payment is now ready to go, and there's nothing else to do.